Hey guys, welcome to my channel Soumya's Book Station. I am Soumya. If you like my videos, please like and share them and subscribe to my channel. So guys, in today's video I am going to talk about an extremely special book. I had been excited about it and I had been waiting for this book since the time I heard about its launching. And this book is none other than How to Be a Boss by Lilly Singh, aka Superwoman. So for someone like me who is a fan of Superwoman and as well as a book lover, it was such a pleasant surprise to know that she was launching her own book. So in today's video, I am going to talk about how I like reading this book and my thoughts on it. So let's get started. One thing that I would like to say about this book is, in the beginning itself, is that it's not an autobiography. Obviously, this is actually a self-help book, as it is mentioned here as well. A guide to conquering life. This book is a self-help book with snippets of Lilly's personal life. So this book has been divided in 4 parts, which are Master Your Mind, Hustle Harder, Make Heads Turn and Be a Unicorn. Each of these 4 parts has a number of chapters explaining how you can do these things, and at the end of each of these parts there is an out of the blue section which talks about Lilly's personal life, or you can say snippets from her personal life. So BAWSE, boss, is basically a sassy version of the word boss. She has even given its meaning on the back cover, and I'll read it out to you. A person who exudes confidence, hustles relentlessly, reaches goals and smiles genuinely because he or she has fought through it all and made it out the other side. So basically, in this book, Lilly has talked about how she thinks one can achieve success. In the beginning itself, it has been cleared in the book that this is not a book which contains shortcuts to success or some fluffy positive quotes to make you feel better. But in fact, this book talks about the practical approaches one should take to become successful, to get to one's goals and to achieve one's targets. So this book has a total of 50 chapters, and each chapter talks about something ranging from controlling your emotions to honoring your decisions, from developing your personality to being a positive person in general. So basically, this book follows a very practical approach, and as I read this book, I realized that what was mentioned in the beginning about it being completely practical was not a lie. In fact, whatever was written in this book was extremely relatable because she has talked about a lot of experiences from her own personal life, and as well as from her YouTube career. So one thing that I would like to mention is that this book is extra beneficial for somebody who has a YouTube channel or is planning on starting a YouTube channel, because Lilly Singh is a YouTuber herself, and that too a phenomenally successful one. So her pearls of wisdom are really something that one should read and hold on to. I do not mean to imply that this book is not going to be useful for people otherwise. The fact is that whatever she has talked about, whatever problems she has talked about, are real enough for any person, and anybody who's going through a tough time and wants to know how to set things right. This book can be your personal trainer, and this word has been mentioned in this book as well. Now if I talk about my experience of reading this book came to me on 29th March, and I was reading another book at that time, so I just picked it up, just to read a page or two, and before I knew it, I had finished this entire book in a single go. And the thing is that I'm going to read this book again and savor it, because that is the kind of book this is. Oh, before I forget, I would like to show you guys how this book looks from the inside. This is a hardcover version that I have. You can get yourself a paperback one, it depends on you. Okay, so this has a lot of pictures of Lilly Singh, a lot of beautiful pictures of Lilly Singh, I must say. And if you are a fan of Lilly Singh, then this is definitely a collector's edition for you. I am a fan of Lilly Singh. Since this book has been written in first person, it has the trademark Lilly Singh style, where she kind of drifts away while making a point, and that becomes so funny and amusing. And if you are a Lilly Singh fan, which I'm sure you are so going to love this book, because what is better than getting a dose of motivation from a person like Lilly, who spreads so much happiness through her videos, and that happiness has definitely seeped into this book. Despite it being a practical book, you feel really happy after reading it, because she has explained everything in her own charming manner. This book is a representation of Lilly Singh herself, positive and beautiful. Even if you do not follow her that regularly, even if you are not a big fan of her, you cannot deny that she is definitely tremendously successful, and that she is an institution and an inspiration, and one should listen to what such successful people have to say, because it definitely gets motivating. It was motivating for me. I'm sure it's going to be motivating for you. If you guys want to get your hands on this wonderful book, which I recommend that you do, I'll leave a link in the description box for you to do so. So I know that I did not follow my regular review format in this video because this was not really a review video. I knew beforehand that this was going to be one fantastic book, and this was like 10 times better than what I expected. So I just told you guys what I thought about it. I hope you liked watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do let me know in the comment section if you found my video useful. If you want to connect with me on my social media, then the links are in the description box. I'll be back with my next video super soon, guys. Bye.